best invention ever, Hoover robot guy. Does an amazing job, better than we could ever expect. Look at that, under the furniture. It's absolutely amazing. Has remote control and Bluetooth.